The Constitutional Court delivered its verdict on the dispute over results of the 2024 presidential election today. TVRI World reporter Shafira Junior has the report.
Reporting from the Constitutional Court of the Republic of Indonesia, after stages of examination trial, the judges held judges' deliberation meetings from April 6 to April 21, 2024. And today, the Constitutional Court read out its decision regarding the results of the 2024 presidential elections. The Constitutional Court declared in its verdict that Gibran Rakabuming Raka is a legitimate vice presidential candidate responding to charges by rivals that Gibran was eligible to contest due to nepotism. Presidential candidate Anies Baswedan petitioned the court to disqualify Gibran, claiming that he received an unfair advantage. Gibran Rakabuming was appointed as running mate of presidential candidate Prabowo Subianto, and the duo went on to win the election by 58% of the vote. Verdict for the 2024 presidential election dispute today marks the conclusion of the electoral process ahead of the inauguration of elected president and vice president scheduled in October. Before candidate pair number 1 Anies Baswedan with Muhaimin Iskandar and candidate pair number 3 Ganjar Pranowo with Mahfud MD submitted a request for a revote and disqualification of candidate pair number 2 Prabowo Subianto with Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Court spokesperson Fajar Laksono said results of deliberation involving 8 constitutional judges was conducted before the trial. While Chief Justice Suhartio declares the hearing are open to the public. The Constitutional Court read out statements from 14 parties who registered as amicus curiae or friends of the court in deciding disputes over the results of the 2024 presidential election. Before, the Constitutional Court received 52 amicus curiae, but only 14 of them were studied and scrutinized by the panel of judges. In terms of security, thousands of security were deployed to security area hundreds of meters away from the Merdeka Palace in Jakarta. The police closed Medan Merdeka Barat Street, which leads to the Merdeka Palace, and this closure is carried out by installing concrete barriers and barbed wire. Meanwhile, in the opposite direction, on Medan Merdeka Barat Street, towards the horse statue or Patung Kuda, the closure is only carried out half the road. And that's what we have for now. I'm Shafira Junior with camera person Iqbal reporting for TVRI World.